Let's start with O. O is for Orca, the king of the sea. O is for owl, wise as can be. O is for otter, playful and free. O is for ostrich, fast on its feet. Oh, oh, animals you know, on our adventure, oh, let's go. O is for octopus with arms so long. O is for ocelot, elusive and strong. O is for okapi with stripes to see. O is for ox, big and burly. O is for osprey, soaring high above. O is for olive that with fur so tough. Oh, what a journey we had today, with animals that start with O. Hip hooray! Thanks for joining our exploration game. Remember their names and come back again.